They insult Don. Akwebi Jimmy Phobi. And this need Jimmy Phobi. Oba page ya. Akwaba akukra so about baby sebi. I didn't na your friend say your friend say also the I didn't na Katachi a demonstration.
Welcome to the political rant with me, the voice right on Ghana MTVG. Changing him say on the 28th of April, one of the biggest ever demonstrations since Kumi Preku is going to take place. And it's going to take place in Accra. Accra now. Now demonstration we know. Any MPP demonstration, any NDC, any CPP, any PNC, any whichever. A Ghana 4 Ankasa demonstration. Ghana 4 have been asking for something like this to be organized so that they can let their voices be heard. To send a clear message to His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, aka Malam Yohani, aka add your name, that Ghana is not for sale. Ghana is not for sale. Unana ukase, SSA Akufo Addo and declare state of emergency. Afe Akufo Addo wan declare. Wamamo reason, musi David, those reasons all do not tally. Nyasem bien. Eti muba, muna munim sena, ya defeat galamse. Afe de mababa emwa. The same things Akufo Addo was doing, you are repeating. So there is a cause for demonstrations to happen. Now, it is through this issue now, journalist B.I.F.N. Bobby, Oyejuma or Accra FM, very popular NDC journalist. Now, NDC for we say, Adena, on NDC ni, or support you Katechi Afrifa say, or muka demonstration ATM NDC government, no, Adena supporting.
Never buy yes in Nioma or Moye, at the end Nioma Niger, Jomama, and Akufo Addo Nyendeda. See a dear soldier for Congress, near Quasi excavators. Akufo Addo Nayen will come Hamia once and Kaka. It's a no banana Quasisa excavators. Now send me and Emma media for the idea Besiwa. Sebidian way, 1 year.
Yarisha full police commanders in Galamsey.
Yarisha full police commanders, dear Wo Park and Yanisa, or Manu Amu Galamsey areas, no. One more MPP inclined police officers. It will muddy dick a cray, a mumra fear near the young Congo didi. And one on my ye. And Yana Sadia. Yara John Dramani Mahama, and the minister, ne one no el sunchire, or Chadjo, Naduku Kurano, was in the Yamotie. Near Busa say, Minister, Dientina Yamoti or so, dear Galamse, ne your mino. One would be that. Yes, Minister. Now, well, Lambella no free. A Lambella walk, I will for be a Galamse, you to the Quaho. One huna, unsunda. And they do a better minister. I did triacan, you the military, the police account. Sa koko fight galamse na ubesu achire manfo no edi eni manager mama ba ye waye abeka sisije we eye nibre onu minister no ne ka kire ye se ye wura Akufo Addo on declare state of emergency on mining, small scale mining. Ni amra back to the drawing board and ye busa ne say state of emergency no e wo he omso da bi state of emergency in the according to ye Igbandi Mustafa Gbandi.
Yes,
ye declare Emma investors makronim Nana Akufo Addo ne no declare na nkoto ne beba kurunim. Ade be no no. Yati Akufo Addo ko pass mra. LI 246.
Yes.
I ma kwan mi ewura ye forest mu na nchirima de ombeba beto so no. Yakwa akose no. Wo ye campaign aka kire manfo ne se. Me ba sa mra no me repeal.
And that's why I'm
and I will come brofu you can repeal ni amend. NCJ. You call law school kitu you want say repeal ni kire say you be funny atitimu to atwene kura asif say it never even happened.
Yeah.
And we buy an adwuma na sem. Waso no so be hunu say oh gold ne hu hia na forest de bitem. Etie ne mesere mu amadaroma. We no minya ntitim. Na mama mkwan na mfa pa akwasi powder kakra emmone ha. Na mfa nto ne ani di ho. Enti woni manfo na ani ni.
And all can say, sad game that have been played for a while now. A tribalistic game. Tribal, and I say, and they say there be the confusion, ni division one, or no more driving. Or this sad game, no, it ends with him, it stops with him. Esan say, onu bobinu oya santini. Ena Okatakyi a free fanso no oye asantini na say akanni. And there is no way because of politics enti onu betena ho said some because omo two different sides no Okatakyi will become his enemy. Esan say they don't agree on political ideologies. Or say some no ekos ya sem. Say Jimmy sem. Or say ensem hunu kwa. And so over his dead body say Obeyi Okatakyi a free farmer. Now when you go under the post I was TikTok, I cry for TikTok no. Now unhu comments adodo a nkofo type no. Obetumi you see say nkofo ni age pa say akata say say obi say from Agona to Jamesi to Mampo. King George says that wisdom. Man Daniel said this is the first time you are making sense. Eben says I don't trust President Mahama and NDC. More comments. Someone says good one. Someone said you got a follower. Someone said let's divorce from Ghana. Obi said today you are making sense. Obi also say wisdom. So you see that everybody, the Akan communities are yearning, very much yearning for unity.
Na Katakyi yak demonstration memfa ba anko boni trim nkuno. Memfa ba anko boni trim enkuno. And I know a guy be watching the Akudi ni birthday. And yan this for na call a partner say. Wa bodam. Okatakyi free aguna mimi free asante mampon. Memfa ba anko boni trim. Na de onu free ball esia ball dia oni nkodi agro. Do free ball e wo NDC musia do free ball e wo MPP mo onu ni nkodi agro. Na me de me no me free asante mampon Okatakyi free aguna. Entimi fa ba anko boni trim. Wa boa. Wabua unya ndisi ni awajimi a onka sa asem we da bole ni ikosia bole ni ndisi ni MPP ni a oni ni ikodi agro. The same people are insulting John Mahama. Ko ayi your friend say Gabi wati da last week ko the party ase ko hwenkrofo a NDC fo aneguo me to party obi beba me to party da me frɛ obi a obi beba. Na de ofri bole sia bole ni a ono ahusu asia ni nua mimi free asante mampo mi hu aguna ni a me de onya mi nua eya na mu free say asante fo ya jimi mu free say nim nyansa nim nyansa.
Even if you disagree based on political ideologies, it does not mean say Obeyi unyama debi. Obi a free Eastern region. We are Kwapemni, we are Santini, we are Bununi, Nzemeni, we are Guan. All the Akan tribes, no. So you must not allow any politician, just because of their own selfish parochial interest, to try to bring division amongst you. No. The same way, you must not allow any chief of one particular place to try to bring confusion amongst you just because they are fighting over entitlement. No. Because whichever entitlement you feel, we will all die and live it. Whether you are a king or not, whether you are a paramount chief or not, you are whatever it is, one day, the breath of God will leave you. So let us do politics, and let politics be just that, politics. Politics is rather supposed to unite us, because in the end, Ghana, the progress of Ghana, the future of Ghana, that is at stake. That is our penultimate goal. This is where all of us, our focus and our strength, our might must be directed towards. And over time, one party that has always been benefiting from this kind of divisional politics, tribal politics, antagonistic politics, NDC. And it's good, say, Omuamu journalists, like the likes of Bobby, and many others who will follow, are beginning to realize, say, Politics should unite us. Politics should not be an avenue for a civil conflict, a tribal conflict. This has been the political rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana STEM TV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. Until then, bye-bye, cheers. See you in the next one.